What is up, guys? Master21 here, and today I have a vending machine that I made. Like, you can put any thing in it, really, like food, snacks, small bags of chips. So I'm gonna show you how it works. So first, you're gonna need 3 quarters, also known as 75 cents. So what you're gonna do, put them in this coin slot. 1, 2, and 3. See, wait, I'm not going to put the one. See, the thing won't push anymore. So, I'm going to put the third one in. And then what you want to do, you want to push this lever forward. Then, sometimes it'll get a little bit jammed. Oh, see, there we go. Push it and pull back. Sometimes it'll just do a little push, or you can just push it and pull back. I did both ways. Sometimes it'll get stuck, do a different way. But here's the pre-sum that I put in. The inside I'm not going to show you about because it's so complicated, and this is something that I want to keep probably hidden. But if you do want me to show you guys the inside of it, I will make another video on how I made it. So I'm going to put a bag of chips in or something, and I'll show you how. So I put a bag of chips in there. Now I'm going to get my coins back. I opened it up. One quarter. Oops. Shake the machine too much. It will mess up. Alright, so I got 3 quarters. I just left the top open, so it'd be easier. So, right, 1, 2, 3. Now what I'm going to push it. Put your finger in here if you're recording and just push. That's why I made this. And boom. There's your bag of chips. Barrel chest mix. That's what I just threw in, traditional chest mix. I'm gonna you can put things in there. Also, I'm gonna throw back some a thing of tissues. You can put hygiene stuff in there. Say a friend sleeps over and you need money. I'm just kidding, but say if someone actually does sleep over at your house. Hold on, I'll pause this and get this thing all set up because it's hard to do with one hand. Okay, so I got it. It's coins again. 2. Oh. 3. Alright, so it's coins in. 1, 2, 3. Then finger here if you're recording. Push. Takes a little wiggle. Aw, dang it, I got stuck. Redo. Okay, just put the coins back in so you guys didn't have to watch me. So, finger here if you want. And push. Oh, there they are. Right here. Tissues. It's like, oh my god, it's a towel. Or soap in or something, I don't know why, but boom. So, I'm kidding. But yeah, the possibilities are endless. You can put stuff in. Here, let's run playing cards. That'd work. Here, I'll try some of this. Wait. Some of this. Possibilities are endless. Put another coin, put some more coins in. Alright, put the coins in. Then finger here if you want, then push. Boom. Some maple brown sugar. Oatmeal. I started drinking that. Look at it. Boom. Granola bars. Fix the slab. Put the coins in. Put the coins in. Finger if you... That wasn't enough. Alright, I fixed it. Now, finger if you want, push. What? There we go. Got the granola bar. So, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Check out some of my other videos if you haven't. And peace out. Goodbye.